Your beauty, it's captivating and it takes this person's breath away. This person finds you to be striking. They can't stop staring at you. They find you to be so powerful. Your energy and your aura is literally breathtaking. This individual feels a shift whenever they are around you. A shift of excitement, a shift of passion. They are transfixed on your energy. They're transfixed on you. You create so much hysteria with others around. This person sees the hysteria that you cause. This person sees how others want to be acquainted with you, how others spiritually fight to be within your energy. This person knows they have competition. You are not your average. You carry a certain power that this individual has never encountered before. It's not just about you looking good. Your energy carries weight. You shift the dynamics of any room that you enter. Whenever you walk down the road, in a room, people stop and stare. People can feel that they are in a presence of someone that has authority, leadership. This person feels like whenever they are around you, they are in the presence of greatness. And they are. For some of you, this person gets angry whenever they see people looking at you, to the point whereby they want to get physical. For others of you, this person conceals their anger, their rage. They get it. They understand why people are staring, because they stare too. For some of you, this person downplays how they actually feel, because to expose their jealousy of others staring at you and wanting to be around you would mean that they would have to admit what they're trying to deny from themselves. For some of you, that they have deep, passionate feelings for you. This person feels like with the energy that you possess, you have the power to destroy them. They've never met anyone as dynamic as yourself. They find you passionate. You bring out an energy within this person that they felt was dormant. You excite this individual. Whenever they are around you, they feel like they're going to explode, literally. You have a transformative energy whenever you get into interactions with people. This person feels like they can go skin deep with you. You have penetrated into their soul. They've told you secrets that they haven't told anyone. They trust you, but they fear you. They see you as someone that is a powerful force. They see you as someone other than them. For some of you, you are in a relationship, and this person's very jealous of this actual connection that you're in. They want it to be them. For others of you, this individual feels like you have a hold over them. They can't stop thinking about you. They can't get you off their mind. They feel traumatized by the fact that they obsess about you. Your energy is potent. It's intense. There's a certain mystery around your aura. This person finds you to be fun-loving. energetic, successful, victorious, free-spirited. They see you in high demand. They feel like you can have your pick and choose as to who you want to date, and you're just oblivious to it all. They look up to you. They see you as someone that is in the public eye. For some of you, you are actually in the public eye. Some of you could be quite well known on social media. You could be very popular amongst your friend group, at work, in whatever town or city that you work in. This person sees you as a star. And sometimes they feel like a fan. They're taken aback by how stylish you are, how playful you are, how charismatic you are. They feel like you got everything all in one. And they're fixated on your beauty, your expensive energy, your charm, your grace. The way you're able to switch up your style from laid back skater girl to sophisticated, charming and graceful. They are taken aback by how you can switch up your speaking voice from being well spoken to using slang to being animated, not taking yourself seriously. They are in awe of you. They feel like you challenge them. They don't know what they're going to get next. And your energy is forcing this person to transform without you even realizing it. This person wants to rush towards you. They want to impress you. In the past, this individual was in their F-boy or F-girl energy. And they were used to getting away with whatever they wanted to get away with other people. Other people were accepting of this individual's behavior. They didn't feel the need to change. That was until they met you. There was something about your eyes. Your eyes penetrate into this person's soul. Your independence threaten this person. They are used to clingers who seek validation within them, which boosted your person's ego. With you, you are self-assured. You know who you are. You know what you want in life. You are independent. You are focused on your own goals, your own hobbies. You have a life. This is challenging for this individual, but intriguing. So not only are you beautiful to look at, your energy signature is also very attractive. The fact that you are ambitious, the fact that you are a boss, a leader, you're powerful, but down to earth, humble, alluring, sophisticating, with buckets of self-respect, puts this person all up in their head. For some of you, this person felt like they needed to heal and move away from you. They broke their own heart, thinking that you will leave them for someone better, or once you find out the truth about them, you will not want them. You would move away. So for some of you, this person sabotaged the connection because you are a powerhouse. You're a big deal. So for some of you, unfortunately, butterflies, this person left you out in the cold. This person felt like they needed to save you. For others of you, this person feels inadequate in regards to you. And even if they shut you out, they couldn't stop thinking about you. You may catch this person gazing at you. For some of you, you're in a relationship with this individual and they still stare at you like they did when they first met you, as the most beautifulest or handsomest person in the whole world. And like I said, it's not just about your looks. It's about the energy that you carry. It's about how you make them feel. It's about being able